Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am DEEPAKSG and in this video we will unbox how to crack the test of reasoning from Arihant, and we will unbox it and review the book. And this is basically a reasoning book. It contains a verbal, analytical and non-verbal reasoning. So let's unbox it. I ordered it from Amazon and the packaging looks great. It's plastic wrapped. So let me remove this wrap and come guys. So guys, I have removed the wrap and now you guys can see how to crack the test of reasoning from Arihant, and it contains verbal, analytical and non-verbal reasoning. So let me show the back side of the book. In the back side here it's mentioned 235 rupees, but I bought it around 150 rupees. So if you want to buy, I'll give the link in the description below so that you guys can also check it if you want to buy one. So now let me open the book and show it to you guys. So this is the content page, and here it's mentioned analogy, classification, alphabet test, etc. are included in verbal reasoning, and analytical reasoning is also there, non-verbal reasoning is also there. Contains around 442 pages. Okay, and the page quality also seems good. So this is a great book for the beginners for reasoning. So if you want, you guys can buy it from the link given below in the description video. So that's it guys, this is a very good book from Arihant, how to crack the test of reasoning. It will clear all the basic concepts of reasoning, and here it's mentioned it contains more than 2500 objective questions. So that's also a practice for you guys. So if you want to buy, just buy this book, Arihant, how to crack the test of reasoning. I haven't read it, but I think it's a good book. So that's it guys. If you guys like this video, please give me a like and also subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. Hope we can see in our next video. Bye guys.